Now let's see some interesting options here. If you select the trees that we created before and click on it, and if we go to settings, notice that the trees have an age. So you can show how they are now and how they're gonna look like 5 years from now. So if I move this up, they're gonna grow like crazy down. Okay, so you can also put a time frame like this, how the landscape would look like if we just planted the trees, how it's going to look like in 10 years or something like that. Okay, we're going to work on these options somewhere else. It's on auto. It means that if I change the season of the whole image, they're gonna change as well, and that's what I'm looking for. Okay, now if I change the other options that I created, I can change the density here. Okay, I cannot change the diameter actually. You can only change the diameter before you create them, but you can change the density. And there's also this very weird option here that you can define a path and people can walk along that path. So if you already have a pathway in your design, which I have not shown any here, you can use either a character path, or if it's a street, you can use a vehicle path or something, and you can start drawing a path in here. Okay, you can change the density. You can see the cars are going to come out of that path and continue moving. Okay, I can decrease the density. We can change the speed. Okay, this is mainly useful if you want to create an animation or something, but usually we just need one single frames to show the render. But this is interesting. You can also create a path which is for some characters. Let's say maybe people are gonna walk from here. Well, this is not the best design, but oh, sorry. Let me get back here to the path, character path. I want people to move here, to go like around the building or something. Okay, and you can change the width of the path. You see people are going there. You can change the density. So there's some people over there. Okay, I'm gonna make the trees a little bit older here, so they're a bit long.